So in the last video you learned how to make new shapes using the union and the difference operations. And in this video we're going to take a look at the intersection and division operations. And so right over here to the right I have what looks kind of like a football. And although we could make this shape in a few different ways, the way I'm going to show you right now is pretty simple. You basically take a circle. I think I'll make, let's say, like a blue circle. And by the way, if I wanted to make a perfectly shaped circle, I can hold my control key down, and while I'm holding that control key down and I make this larger or smaller, you can see that it remains an exact circle. So I've made one circle, and then I can come over here and I can duplicate that circle using Control D, and Control D creates this second circle. And if I place them right next to each other, I can now take this one and this one together, and I say path intersect. And what happens is it takes the portion that has been overlapped between the two circles and removes the rest of it. And that's what intersection does. So now I have this new shape that looks like a football. Okay? The other one, which is called division, takes an existing shape and then cuts it into two different shapes. So let's say, for example, we're going to redo this one here. Let's use this color. I'm going to take a rectangle, and the way I can cut this rectangle into two pieces with this curve is by putting a circle above it, like that, something like that. And I can take this one and Shift key, select that one, and now I will say division. And what that does is it really didn't matter the big shape of the circle. What mattered was the curve in the middle. You see that? So now I could take this shape and move it up, and I've created these two different shapes cut by this circle or oval.